5 Secrets to Become Wealthy on Minimum Wage. Do you wish to be wealthy? Did you know that having a little wage might also make you wealthy? You must be wondering how it is possible to get wealthy on such low wages. But despite the challenges, it is possible to become wealthy while working for minimal pay. With a few changes, you can change your fate. You don't have to make 6 figures to be wealthy, since wealth is determined more by your capacity to save and invest money than by how much money you make. Here are 5 techniques for turning even a small wage into millions. 1. Start early. When you're young, time is on your side. Thanks to compound interest, the sooner you start investing your money, the less you'll need to set aside each month to achieve your goals. For instance, if you begin saving at age 23, you may become a billionaire by age 67 by merely contributing around $14 every day. That is based on an annual investment return average of 6%. On the other hand, if you begin at age 35, you would need to save $30 every day in order to reach 7-figure status by age 67. If you start young, you may potentially build a multi-million-dollar portfolio on a small wage. 2. Automate your finances. Once you've decided to invest your money, the best method to maintain it over time is to make it automated, which entails having money sent each month from your salary or checking account directly to your investment accounts before you even see it. Chris Reining, a self-made millionaire who reached the $1 million mark at 35 and retired at 37, proved it to be effective. According to him, automating your finances is the one little habit that leads to prosperity. 3. Fragility should be embraced. Being thoughtful with your spending and money management is all that being frugal needs, despite how frequently it is misinterpreted. Many people are poor, not because they don't have enough money to live on, but rather because they don't know how to maintain what they already have. You may avoid wasting money on things you don't need by practicing frugility, which enables you to differentiate between your wants and needs. Aside from that, being frugal is considered to be one of the quickest routes to financial independence, enabling early retirement. Being frugal does not need you to live in poverty when you earn a low wage. Rather, it requires you to be disciplined in how you save money in order to build your wealth. 4. Generate multiple streams of income. Self-made millionaires believe that diversifying your income is essential if you want to succeed financially. As self-made millionaire Grant Cardone, who was in significant debt before making 7 figures, asserts that you cannot become wealthy without having many streams of income. Creating several income streams might entail taking on a high-paying side job, launching a side business, or creating passive income. 5. Set smart objectives. There are several reasons why setting goals is crucial. They reduce the time spent striving to meet your financial goals and lay out a clear path to success. They serve as a motivating factor as well. One way to increase your chances of succeeding in your goals is to use the SMART goal framework. To do this, you must be timely, realistic, detailed, quantitative, and attainable. You have a better chance of success when your objective is one that complies with these 5 requirements. To determine what it really takes to attain 7 figures, or whatever your particular objective is, Cardone advises doing the math. The Millionaire Booklet, How to Get Super Rich, he writes, any objective must be believed to be feasible and achievable in order to be achieved. The simplest method to accomplish this is to perform million-dollar math. How many different methods are there to make $1 million? According to Cardone, if you can find a method to persuade 5,000 individuals to purchase a $200 item, you will have made $1 million. Alternatively, you might reach $1 million if 5,000 individuals paid you $17 every month for a whole year. Even though these are greatly simplified examples, the concept still stands. Do the math to establish possibility, then create a strategy, advises the self-made billionaire. Well, that's all I got for you today. I hope you found these suggestions useful. Thanks for watching.